Versus Lecce.
Thanks for the invitation, Peter. It's lovely to be here.
Well, there is a lot of talent in both teams, and this has the makings of a classic encounter. He's only got one waiting in the box. Gets it forward. Sends it back to him. Strokes it back. Plays it to the left. Oh, the referee stopped play. It's a booking.
I don't think we've seen a yellow card today, have we? Well, that's the kind of thing referees have been told to clamp down.
Yes, Trevor, and he's still down.
He needs more options.
Put it in! It's still early in the game. It's the opening goal. Struck it with his right foot. They got a... Do you think this will open the game up now, Trevor?
They might, but becoming too defensive is quite risky when you've only got a one-goal lead.
They need some penetration. There's only one in the middle.
It's an impressive one, too.
There's the whistle. This could be an opportunity. It's gone for the centre. 15 minutes into the first half. Short pass.
Poetry in motion. Terrific stuff.
He is strong in the air.
There's no support.
Takes the shot. Well, he went for the shot, but it just wasn't good enough.
That was a poor pass.
Launches it high. It's through. Well-timed challenge. Now the defender read it well. Here comes the shot.
I think the build-up was better than the finish.
Almost 30 minutes gone. Lecce. The shot! The keeper makes himself big.
That was an awful pass.
He passes it to the right. Sends it back. Touches it out right.
That was a poor pass.
Plays a long ball forward. Passes forward.
There's no one with him.
There's the shot. Nearly in.
He knows that you have to keep making chances on goal. Unfortunately, that wasn't accurate enough. Looks promising so far.
Pushes it upfield. 5 minutes to the end of the first half.
Look at that, it's the perfect one too.
Spreading the play well. Touches it back. And they switch it. Sends a long ball to the left flank. They are going at it, hammer and tongs. Sends it back. This is exhibition stuff. Lecce, can he keep it going? Half-time. Trevor, tell us what you've made of the performance so far.
Well, both teams are well organised at the back and up front as well, actually. But you can't say one goal is a comfortable lead in this game.
Now from right to left, left to right, Lecce. Passes it over to the right. The referee stops play here.
There won't be a booking, just a warning this time. The marking's been tight and so far it's working.
To make something out of this. This could be interesting.
Yes, and the keeper
off the wall. Gets it forward. And he's gone for it himself. Lecce. Some players are warming up on the touchline. Rolls it forward. It's clear. Lays it back. It's been a ding-dong battle between these two sides.
A perfect ball.
Well, he just couldn't find the accuracy there. Plays the ball forward. One target in the box.
Oh, maybe the pressure's got to him. It's well over the bar.
Touches it outright. Neither side seems capable of taking control.
Good passing with a lovely little touch.
And he shoots! Fisted away! He may whip the cross in. The shot! What a finish! It's in! That's their second! He tucked it away superbly into the right-hand corner.
It's absolutely good.
Lecce, they're 2 goals ahead. That really should put them in the comfort zone now, Trevor.
It's hard to say. Being 2 goals up is a difficult situation to be in. Not be sure if you should relax or go for another.
He has quick feet.
It's an impressive 1-2.
It's a save. It's a corner kick from the right. What's he going to do with it? They won another as they keep the pressure on. Well won by the big fella. Superbly done. It's in. That's their third. They might just run away with this.
Well, they're cruising along now.
Let's take another look at the goal. So, Trevor, 3 goals between the teams. The game looks like it's over.
Yes, Peter, it's beginning to look like a foregone conclusion. Well, they're starting to click, Peter.
1-on-1 with the keeper. Lecce, we have players warming up on the touchline. He keeps his eye on the ball to win the header.
It looks easy, but that is a quality piece of skill.
Could this be a chance? Challenge there. Strokes it back. Neither side afraid to get stuck in. There's a chance for a cross here. The route down the right is his preferred option. Now they go left. Touches it outright. They can swing it in from the right wing. 2-1. Now play switches to the left flank. That was predictable. Solid, commanding header. That's it. That's the final whistle. All in all, that ended up being an easy day's work. Two-one.